So now we're going to talk about swaddling. Most of you know how to swaddle a baby. You're going to take a blanket, fold it about 8 inches down from one point. So it's kind of, I'll show you, baby on my lap, like this. So put it on your surface. Again, can be your lap, can be a bed. You're going to put baby on top of the swaddle, or the blanket, sorry, to swaddle. And then wrap over the arm, leaving his head out. Make sure the head is out. Fold up in the middle and tightly fold over the side, the other arm to the back. Now, this is good for when baby is little for various reasons. Babies that are born substance exposed typically have a lot of sensory needs. So that means that sometimes they're either sensory seeking or they're sensory avoidant. So they may like tight swaddles and they may like kind of louder music or, you know, hearing noise around them, and that's sensory seeking, and lots of sucking and putting things in their mouth. Those that are sensory avoidant are not going to like the swaddle at all, so you may just have to ditch this idea altogether. Once baby gets older and is able to flip over onto their tummy in the bed, you're going to want to leave, again, my baby's arms don't move very well, so you're going to want to leave the baby's arms out of the swaddle so that when they roll, they're not going to hurt themselves, and they're able to push up and kind of get air when they roll. And do it the best I can, but this still gives some pressure around the tummy, so for those kiddos that are sensory seeking, they're able to feel that pressure on their tummy as they sleep, and it will soothe them a little bit more in that way.
Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you were personally encouraged. If you'd like to help us make more videos like this, please consider making a tax-deductible donation and telling your friends and families so that we might continue our work to strengthen families.